So what are the best products that you can go and promote as an affiliate in 2022 to make money with and become very, very profitable with? You see, there are many categories, many kind of different niches where you can go out and promote products every single day as a clockwork, as an affiliate, right? 24/7. But the one questions that keep coming up is, which product should I promote? And this is really smart question. If you're asking yourself this, it means that you have a good intention of taking this affiliate marketing or Clickbank thing very seriously, right? So the first thing you have to ask yourself before you start promoting any product is this niche that I'm going in evergreen? What do I mean by that? Evergreen means, are people buying these products every single day, right? Do I have to convince someone to buy this product? If you're only following trends, you will never build anything long term. Why? Because you and me know that trends never last, right? Trends happen for a few months, for a year, and gone, right? And then another trend. So if you're only chasing a trend, you cannot build a sustainable long-term affiliate marketing business, right? So as you know, everyone says to you, go into health, relationships, make money online niche, right? Those are evergreen niches. But no one tells you where are the sub niches, right? Because you know there is a lot of competition in health niche, weight loss, fitness, right? A lot of ads online about supplements, weight loss, diabetes, back pain, teeth whitening, right? There are many different sub niches. But the one thing you have to ask yourself is there a pain big enough in that market that the person is willing to pay money to solve the problem? And another question you have to ask, how many times is the customer or the marketplace thinking about the problem every single day? Let me give you a simple example. If I go to brush my teeth, I will be thinking about brushing my teeth maybe 2 times per day, right? Morning and evening. And there is no emotional connection to brushing teeth. I have no emotion, right? Another thing, let me give you an example. If you have a cancer, how many times per day are you going to think about cancer, right? Probably more than 3 times per day. If you have diabetes, how many times will you be thinking about diabetes? Probably more than 2 to 3 times per day, because you have to take pills, right? You have to put insulin injection. So think about that. How many times are people thinking about their situation, the problem, and how you can help them solve the problem by offering them a solution, which is a high quality product, of course, right? So this is the number one thing. Think about your marketplace and how much emotional connection do they have to the pain or the problem that they're trying to solve, right? You can go to the niches, like for example, if you're looking for the less competition, like woodworking, hobby niches, right? Or survival niche, it's a really big one. Why survival is big? If you are targeting conservative guys living in US, 45, 50 years old and above, who are following, for example, Donald Trump, right? They are most likely to be interested in survival niche, right? In survival, think preppers, what we like to call them, right? Preppers. So it's a huge niche, and if you know how to attack that niche, how to give them what they want, right? You can make big money as an affiliate promoting products. So if you're wondering how to make it happen, how to put out affiliate landing pages, how to create ad copy, and how to actually get visitors to the website, then let me know. Below this video are going to be links, and you can reach out to me after watching this video and ask me any questions you want. But before you leave this video, please subscribe to my channel so you can get more helpful tips like this.